Hello everyone, myself Ruchira Deshmukh. I'll be explaining about anti-epileptic drugs with my coordinates Preeti Dukte and Komal Chirsat under the guidance of Dr. Nityan Mohire and Miss Mashfa Asar. We are in final year B Pharmacy from Shivajirao S. Zunde College of Pharmacy. So let's start our topic anti-epileptic drugs. Firstly, we will understand what is epilepsy. It is a group of disorders occurs in the CNS which are characterized by first paroxysmal cerebral dysrhythmia, which means a diffusely abnormal condition in which the electroencephalogram is often seen with epilepsy. Second, manifesting as brief episodes means it shows a brief episodes of seizures of loss of consciousness with or without characteristics body movements and sensory or psychiatric phenomena. Next, we will talk about causes of epilepsy. What causes epilepsy? In general, epilepsy and seizures result from abnormal activity in the brain. Abnormal activities like stroke, brain tumor, brain infection, traumatic brain injury or head injury. Other causes like stress, change in medications, alcohol, etc. There are certain genetic conditions which also causes epilepsy and other neurological conditions.
Types of seizures. First is generalized seizures, which occurs in full brain. It is consist of generalized tonic-clonic seizure, absence seizure, atonic seizures, myoclonic seizures, infantile spasm. Second type is partial seizures, which occurs in only part of brain, which consists of simple partial seizures and complex partial seizures. Classification of anti-epileptic drugs. First is barbiturate. Its example is phenobarbital. Second is deoxybarbiturate. Its example is primidone. Third is hydantoin. Its example is phenytoin, fosphenytoin. Fourth is immunostilbene. Its example is carbamazepine, oxcarbazepine. Fifth is succinimide. Its example is ethosuximide. Sixth is aliphatic carboxylic acid. Its example is valproic acid and sodium valproate. Seventh is benzodiazepine. Its examples are diazepam, clonazepam, lorazepam, clobazam. Eighth is phenyltriazine. Its example is lamotrigine. Ninth is cyclic GABA analogs. Examples are gabapentin, pregabalin. Here is our first drug, which is phenobarbital, which is barbiturate drug. Its molecular formula is C12H12N2O3. IUPAC name is 5-ethyl 5-phenyl 2,4,6,1H3H5H pyrimidine triol. It depresses the CNS. It is cheapest and least toxic anti-epileptic. It has activity against generalized seizures. Pharmacodynamics. Mechanism of action. Phenobarbital. GABA is synthesized in the presynaptic terminal. The enhancement of GABA A receptor mediated synaptic inhibition appears to be most important mechanism. However, phenobarbital has specific anticonvulsant activity which is not entirely dependent on general CNS depression. After release, it causes GABA A receptor on postsynaptic neuron to increase inward chloride conductance. Synaptic GABA is taken back into the presynaptic terminal and into glial cells, which block GABA metabolism, thus increase synaptic GABA levels. Thus, it shows anticonvulsant activity. The higher anticonvulsant to hypnotic ratio of phenobarbital may be due to its minimal effect on calcium channels and glutamate release compared to hypnotic barbiturates. Uses. Phenobarbital is one of the cheapest and least toxic antiepileptics. It has broad spectrum efficacy in generalized tonic-clonic and simple partial and complex partial seizure. It is also used to relieve anxiety. It induces sleep. It is also used as sedative, hypnotic. Side effects of phenobarbital: drowsiness, dizziness, headache, vomiting, nausea, and constipation. Adverse effects of phenobarbital. The major drawback of phenobarbital as an anti-epileptic is its sedative action. Long-term administration may produce additional adverse effects like behavioral abnormalities, diminution of intelligence, impairment of learning and memory, hyperactivity in children, mental confusion in older people. It also causes rashes and anemia and sometimes osteomalacia. It may occur in some patients on prolonged use. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Phenobarbital is slowly absorbed after oral administration. Its bioavailability is less than 95%. Distribution. Volume of distribution is about 0.5 liter per kg. Plasma protein binding is 20 to 45%. Metabolism. It is metabolized in liver. The metabolites are phenobarbital, which is main active metabolite, para-hydroxyphenobarbital, which is minor metabolite, phenobarbital O-glucuronide, which is minor metabolite. Excretion. 20 to 40% of given dose is excreted through urine. Dose 60 mg 1 to 3 times a day. For child 3 to 6 mg per kg per day. Dosage forms: tablets for oral use, injection for intramuscular and intravenous use, rectal suppositories. Brand name is Luminal and company name is Bayer.
Our next drug is diazepam, which comes under the category benzodiazepines. Diazepam is considered as a first-line drug agent in the emergency management of acute seizures and status epilepticus. It is a benzodiazepine that exerts anxiolytic, sedative, muscle relaxant, anticonvulsant, and amnestic effects. Its molecular formula is C16H13Cl N2O. IUPAC name is 7-chloro 1,3-dihydro 1-methyl 5-phenyl 3H 1,4 benzodiazepine 2-one. Next is the pharmacodynamics of diazepam, which includes mechanism of action. Its mechanism of action starts with gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA receptor. Firstly, GABA is synthesized in the presynaptic terminal. After release, it causes the GABA receptor on the postsynaptic neuron to increase inward chloride conductance. After that, synaptic GABA is taken back up into the presynaptic terminal and into glial cells, which blocks GABA metabolism. This increases synaptic GABA levels and results in anticonvulsant activity. It is used in conditions like status epilepticus, eclampsia, premedication, tetanus, convulsant drug poisoning, and anxiety neurosis. It has some side effects and adverse effects. Side effects are drowsiness, headache, constipation, nausea, muscle weakness, dizziness, dry mouth, etc. Their adverse effects are anterograde amnesia, also increases confusion, sedation, ataxia, hangover effects, and hallucinations. Next is the pharmacokinetics of diazepam. First is absorption. Diazepam is absorbed more than 90% after oral administration and its bioavailability is 76% by mouth and 81% rectal. Next is distribution. Its volume of distribution is about 0.8 to 1 liter per kg and its plasma protein binding is 98% to 99%. Metabolism. It is metabolized in liver with the help of metabolites like nordiazepam, oxazepam, and temazepam. Nordiazepam is the main active metabolite. Excretion. It excreted in kidney with 30 to 70% and its renal clearance is 20 to 30 milliliter per minute. Next is the dose of diazepam, which is 2 to 10 mg taken orally twice a day or 4 times a day. It is also available in forms like oral tablets, intramuscular injection, intravenous injection, rectal suppository, nasal spray. It is sold under the brand name Valium, which are the tablets available in 10 mg, 30 mg, and 50 mg, which are manufactured by company Roche.
This class is aliphatic carboxylic acid, which contains valproic acid. Molecular formula C8H16O2. IUPAC name is 2-propyl pentatonic acid. Valproic acid is broad spectrum anti-epileptic drug which is effective in all types of seizures. Effects on chronic experimental seizure. Valproic acid is a potent microsomal enzyme inhibitor. Do not stop valproic acid suddenly in a medication. Valproic acid is contraindicated in the children's. Next is pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics includes mechanism of action of valproic acid. Valproic acid, GABA is synthesized in the presynaptic terminal. After release, it causes the GABA A receptor on the postsynaptic neuron to increase inward chloride conductance. Synaptic GABA is taken back up into the presynaptic terminal and into glial cells that block GABA metabolism, thus increase synaptic GABA levels, and it shows anticonvulsant activity. Next is side effects of valproic acid. It includes drowsiness, diarrhea, dizziness, headache, changes in appetite, back pain, constipations. And the adverse effects are anorexia, which means a loss of appetite for food, sedation, ataxia means loss of full control of bodily movement, tremor, skin rashes, and alopecia, which is a hair loss, fulminant hepatitis, it is a clinical syndrome of severe liver function impairment, teratogenicity, it is the ability of the cause defects in a developing fetus. Next is pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Valproic acid is rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Its bioavailability is 100%. Distribution. Volume of distribution is about 0.1 to 0.4. Plasma protein binding is 80 to 90%. Metabolism. Metabolism occurs in liver. Metabolites. Glucuronide conjugates. It is a main active metabolites. 2,4-diene-VPA minor metabolites. 5-hydroxyvalproic acid, it is minor metabolite. Excretion. Excretion occur in kidney. 30 to 50% is excreted through the urine. Next is dose. It gives in a 10 to 15 mg per kg per day, gives orally. Dosage form. It is available in tablet form and injection forms. And the brand names which are available in market is Depican, and the company is Abbott Laboratories. Thank you.